Meet the WhisperKOOL Ductless Platinum Split series, our most trusted line of split system cooling units, engineered to deliver powerful, quiet, and efficient performance for wine cellars of all sizes. Designed to be mounted inside the cellar, these systems can be wall-mounted or placed on a shelf, offering flexibility for builders and designers alike. Ductless Platinum Split systems come in 4 sizes: Mini, 4000, 8000, and 9000 twin. Every Platinum Split system is built with professional-grade components for long-term durability and reliable performance. An optional UV lighting system helps prevent mold growth within the cold, moist interior of the unit, maximizing efficiency and keeping the system clean. Each unit features variable speed fan control, allowing installers or users to fine-tune airflow based on cooling demand, reducing noise and energy consumption when full capacity isn't needed. For added installation convenience, the system features threaded flare fittings for the refrigerant line set, completely eliminating the need for brazing. The Ductless Platinum Split series is compatible with 2 condenser options: the Omega 110V HE pump-down condenser and the 220V HE condenser. Both options offer dependable performance and should be selected based on installation conditions and power requirements. Each system also comes with our advanced KDT digital touch display, which can be mounted inside or outside the cellar using the included 50-foot cable. To ensure precise temperature control, every unit features a liquid-sensing bottle probe that monitors the actual temperature of the wine rather than the ambient cellar air, ensuring a stable environment for proper aging. Creating a cellar environment with a Platinum Split system will offer the flexibility to design a beautiful environment for the aging of fine wines. For more information on the Ductless Platinum Split series, please click the provided links in the video description below.